Continuing on, Team Group Rate number 2789. We have Artifacts 1314 and a 12th edition pack. For the Phoenix Coyotes, number 999, Chris Brown. Chris Brown. For the Winnipeg Jets, Evander Kane. Team Canada. We've got a wild card, number 232. Wild card number 232. That'd be a redemption. For the Buffalo Sabres, Steve Ott. Dual Treasure Swatches jersey. For the New York Islanders, number 99, Emerald Rookie of Thomas Hickey. Thomas Hickey. For the Washington Capitals, dual jersey number to 125, Mike Green. Mike Green. For the New Jersey Devils, Autofacts, Andy Green. Ooh, pretty. We've got for the Boston Bruins, Tundra Sixes jersey, Patrice Bergeron, Nathan Horton, Milan Lucic, Tuukka Rask, Zdeno Chara, and Tyler Seguin. Boom. No, BC Mike, it's a wild card. It's random between everybody in the break. Wild card. We got a red rookie number 299 for the Minnesota Wild. Oh, sorry, Buffalo Sabres, Johan Larson. And finish off with an Ottawa Senators Artifacts number 999, Robin Lehner. Start off for the Chicago Blackhawks, number 41 of 60, Tony Esposito. Tony Esposito. We've got for the, what team would this be for? Number to 29, headed to the Hall, Danny Gare. Is that Buffalo Sabres, guys? Danny Gare. Okay. And we've got a random, which will be between Montreal and the Islanders, number to 24, Denny Potvin and Larry Robinson. Yeah, I think he's pictured in Detroit uniform. So that should be a Detroit card. Yeah.